Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. And today I will show you some easy peasy full beginner projects in Python and also JavaScript for beginners and also for kids, because I do have two nieces, 7 and 8 years old, and I do have a young one too. But yeah, these two they really want to learn coding, so that's why I did these projects. By the way, I did it by my own self, and I know that these are for beginners, so you can come to darkdiary.com. I will put the link in the description box. I will never forget. And then you can come to projects with source code and choose Python, JavaScript, Java, or whatever, and a lot of thingies. So let's go to JavaScript. And here you can find a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot of projects, a lot, you guys. So and also, by the way, there are some exercises. For example, let's say that you're gonna learn C++, so it's for beginners. And as you can see here, you can download, and it is a bunch of exercises with the solution. I did it by my own self. Guys, I don't know if I said in the other videos, but I am a computer science teacher, so that's why I know everything. And also there are some free books, but honestly just for JavaScript and Python, because I didn't read other books for the other programming languages. And these are the best books for me. That's why you will only find some books, not a lot, because I only liked these books. I didn't want to just put anything. No, these are really the books that I read and I really liked. So you can find the advanced, intermediate, the easy, the basics, the beginner books, every single thing. So yeah, that's it for today. So if you want some free coding projects, by the way, let me just show you any of the projects. Okay, this is not beginner, this is not beginner, this is beginner guide. Okay, let's see. I don't know, let's go down. You can see here there is the code, how to use it, and why will you need it, and the explanation of every single thing. Okay, this is not a good example. I don't know, let's go to another example. I just want something with the Python projects with source code. Let's see this one. Okay, these are advanced, but I just want to show you the thing. Okay, oh no, not this, but you know, you can just find everything and everything. Okay, I will not make this video so long, but guys, you understood. Okay, let's just get anything. Okay, so this is the explanation, the steps one by one, the code and everything. Look, every single thing is explained. And also, if you have any question, you'll find it here, and I responded to it in a few words, because I don't like to the giant paragraphs for nothing. Just which is the algorithm used in image processing? Just the CNNs. Why should I know? Blah 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 blue. And you have the models, and that's it. Okay, I hope you liked the video again, and don't forget to come to darkdiary.com and find your free coding projects. Bye bye.